Working on Photoshop images. Changing the size of an image. We can change the size of an image on the monitor in order to view the entire image at one time. To do this, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Image tab in the address bar. Step 2. Click on the Image Size. The Image Size dialog box appears. Step 3. Type a new size for the dimension in this area. Step 4. Make sure that Resample checkbox is selected. Step 5. Click on OK. Photoshop resizes the image. Changing the canvas size of an image. Canvas is the area on which the image appears. We can change the canvas size of an image by following the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Image tab in the address bar. Step 2. Click on the Canvas Size. The Canvas Size dialog box appears. Step 3. Type the dimensions for the new canvas. Step 4. Click an anchor point, such as the middle one. Step 5. Click on OK. Photoshop changes the canvas size of the image. Cropping the image. Crop tool is used to cut only the desired part of an image. It crops some part of the image and gives us the required part of the image. Photoshop CC provides us 4 cropping tools such as Crop Tool, Perspective Crop Tool, Slice Tool and Slice Select Tool to crop the image. Here, we will learn about the Crop Tool. To crop an image by using the Crop Tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image. Step 2. Click on the Crop tool in the Tools panel. Photoshop CC automatically places a crop box and handles around the image. Handles can be seen in each of the 4 corners as well as in the middle of sides. Step 3. Now place the mouse pointer on the image. Click and drag to select the rectangular area that we want to keep. Step 4. Release the mouse button. The crop marquee appears with handles on the corners and sides. The area we selected is highlighted. Step 5. Double-click inside the cropping boundary or press Enter key. Photoshop CC crops the image, deleting the pixels outside the cropping boundary to make it appear smooth. Moving an image in workspace. Move tool is used to move the entire image or only a selected portion of the image to a new location. To move an image in workspace, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the image. Step 2. Select a portion of the image we want to move using any of the selection tool. Step 3. Click on the Move tool on the toolbox. Step 4. Place the mouse pointer on the selected area of the image and drag it to a new location. In case we have not selected any area of the image, the entire image moves on dragging. Changing setting of the foreground and background color. Foreground color and background color are the 2 colors we can select to work with at a time in Photoshop CC. It uses the foreground color to draw, paint, spray or type. The background color is used for gradient fill and for filling the erased areas of an image. The default foreground color is black and the background color is white. To change the foreground color, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the foreground color icon in the Tools panel. The Color Picker dialog box will appear. Step 2. Click in the color box to select a color. Step 3. Drag the slider or enter the value in the boxes to change the range of color in the window. Step 4. Click OK. The selected color appears in the foreground color icon. To change the background color, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the background color icon in the Tools panel. The Color Picker dialog box will appear. Step 2. Click in the color box to select a color. Step 3. Drag the slider to change the range of color in the window. Step 4. Click OK. The selected color appears in the background color icon. Saving a file in Photoshop CC 2018. Once we have finished working in Photoshop CC file, we can save it for future reference. To save a file in Photoshop CC, follow the given steps. Step 1. On the address bar, click the File, Save As option. The Save As dialog box will appear. Step 2. Select the location where we want to save the file and type the file name in the File Name text box. Step 3. Select the appropriate file format for the file to be saved from the Save As type box. Step 4. Click on the Save button. Summing up, Adobe Photoshop CC is one of the most powerful graphics editor software for editing images and graphics. Photoshop tools let us move, color and stylize elements to our image. Mark You tool is used to select an image or part of it in a rectangular, square, elliptical or circular shape. The Lasso tool is a bunch of 3 very useful tools used for selecting irregular shapes. The Magic Wand tool is used to select the groups of similarly colored pixels. Crop tool is used to cut only the desired part of an image. The Move tool is used to move the entire image or only a selected portion of the image to a new location. Foreground color is used to draw, paint, spray or type. Background color is used for gradient fill and for filling erased areas of an